This is a perfect example on how to use a drawing for an optical illusion. As you saw, the left battery actually looks much smaller than the right one. To make this happen, we'll need to measure the length of the battery because we'll need that for our drawing. Now we start by drawing likely a figure. This is the sketch made with a pencil, and then we'll harden the lines with a pen. The length of the square one is 5 centimeters in height and 9 centimeters long. Then we'll start drawing small squares, so the drawing gives the illusion, the perspective illusion for the final result. The other line, as you see on the left, it's 15 centimeters. That is because we are using it to create, to expand from 5 centimeters to 15. So the battery, the other battery, which we'll put on the left side, as you are seeing right now, the drawing, looks much smaller than the one on the right because it creates an optical illusion. As you see, the battery actually fits in one of the squares on the right. Now we'll create other small squares. Always you start near the left one, and as you go on the right, the squares expand to create the illusion. Now I have cleaned the sketch we made before with a pencil, so it doesn't look bad. And now the final result. As you see, the battery on the right in the bigger squares actually looks smaller. Here is another angle of the illusion. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and comment what should I draw on the next video.